On today's episode of MotoCheez. The following movie is rated I.
Take a ride over Motorider2018's. He got a new house. Put some more nail polish on that idle. I did order a Kippa 28mm carb and a new battery. Almost 70 degrees today. Yeah, I guess the idle's creeping up again. Maybe I could jam a piece of rubber in there, like I was thinking originally. Definitely an improvement over the 150. I mean, you can cruise it 50, 55, even 60 pretty effortlessly. Then of course, you know, you have the restriction of the exhaust, I think, still. Don't forget I have these knobby tires on. They do rob a little bit of power. Yeah, it crept up to about 4,000 RPM. That's not terrible. Over the line, boy! I should try a 0 to 50 and 60. Now that they have the exhaust modified a bit. I think it made a difference. Put the phone down and drive. Maybe Motorider will take me on his trail in the back of his new land. Boy, it sucks up more fuel though. I guess I have been romping on it a bit. Two-wheel therapy. I love it. That's why I hate the winters now. That's why I have a place in Florida. That's all year round two-wheel therapy.
Feeling good?
Yeah, my idle keeps going up here.
Yeah, I heard a little bit.
I put fingernail polish on it, but it didn't hold. I bought another carburetor where all the controls are on the left.
Too hot for that jacket, ain't it?
I don't know, when you're moving it was pretty chilly still.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm gonna take a ride later.
Yeah, how's that leg?
Yeah, I'm sore. I'm hobbling around on it.
See my exhaust? I cut that piece and put that big one on there and took all the inside out. It's still restrictive, but I haven't found a pipe that'll fit on it.
A ground pipe one?
No, because the Grom's got the flat motor. There is one that someone said, but they're all from China, and they're like 120 bucks for the set, you know.
A few moments later.
How the fuck didn't die for a minute? Those Chinese batteries you keep buying.
I think they're all from China now. You're not gonna do it? Motorider trail. Boy, this thing lugs good. Oh yeah. You gotta clear that trail a little better.
I had to prune it up.
Nice. That's not a bad trail though.
No, it's not bad. It needs to be pruned a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think they're gonna climb up there.
You got some vines. Locust. Oh yeah. Metal roof. Yeah. Burlap and you can see through it. That's theirs or yours?
Ours. It's ours. And there's one like right over that way. So you see like there's like right there straight ahead.
Oh, and that's the neighbor?
Yeah, it's a neighbor.
So this is all yours?
Like I think
half the field?
Kind of like it's like kind of like on the edge.
Oh, okay. How many acres?
3.1.
That's decent. You keep going that way, you go to high school.
Yeah, I have a drone picture.
There was a trail over there. This guy Voss used to live there. We'd go up to his road, and then there was a trail that cut back and come out right behind the high school.
The trail that goes over here too. The trail that goes that way, but it's all.
Huh. So here, look at the way that limb comes straight across and then back up.
Yeah, it stops there somewhere.
Oh, you got some antlers for calling them in. And that's the airport, isn't it? I'm pretty sure that's the airport and the hangar, Randy's.
That guy's property right there. It's like actually like nice properties.
Oh, once you clear this out, you can make a nice wide opening.
Nice trail.
Then you got to keep mowing it. Yeah, this I had lugged in first gear, just pop, 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 pop. That's what's nice about the push rod motor, you know.
Yeah, that thing was actually struggling a little bit. I don't know why.
I heard you feathering the clutch. Not as fast as Whitey, but it's got a lot more torque. Got a little mud on her. That's better. Lost the spring on his kickstand. Coyotes or something got something.
Came off of that rock.
See all them feathers up there? Something caught something.
Yeah. There you go. Put it to work.
You want to go back up and find it?
I'll find that later.
It's getting hot for this jacket. At least I got to get the trails today.
Yeah.
I gotta watch when I hit the road, all the mud's gonna go flinging off.
First after you got dirt on it.
I think so. I went in my trails, but no mud. Alright, man. I'm probably gonna take the long way. Gonna go up past Matt's, cut through Twin Lakes, and go around by your old house and then around that way. Unless the idle creeps up again. Then I'll just head home. Looks good.
Sounds good, I think.
Yeah, we'll go for some rides.
Oh yeah, definitely.
That trail's not too bad. It's a little muddy on top.
Yeah, I see that. The whole ass end's covered in mud.
I know.
Maybe
Place-
when my fucking leg gets better, I'll go on trails.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you
Fucking I'll let me fuck.
Yeah, I wouldn't either. All right, man. Looks good. I folded up a piece of shrink wrap, go between the frame and the idle screw, so see if that holds. And I can hold off on putting that carburetor. But, you know, as soon as it comes in, you know I'm going to want to put it on. Feel that torque. What a beautiful day. Yeah, I think that'll work for now. You could definitely go down on the rear sprocket if you... Ah, the lakes are low. Huh, really low. Still got enough torque to pull it up. Motorider's old house. This little 1.5 gallon fuel tank. Not going to cut it with this 250 if you horse around a lot. Idle creeped up a hair. Do a 0 to 60 here, but a little downhill. Start off here. A bus coming. Oh, and a Harley. Ready? From Eater Pet Cemetery. Take the scenic route. Probably could beat them too. Without even speeding. Bet we beat him. Condor running good? For sure. That's right.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.